How to choose a healthy fat loss diet. Everybody wants to lose some weight, but ensuring you go about it correctly is really important. You will want to look great, feel great, and continue on the road to a healthy lifestyle. How to choose a healthy fat loss diet is a big question, and one that can be easily answered. There are so many different diets to choose from. Knowing which one is suited to you is the first step. Every diet claims to have amazing techniques and answers, and as soon as there is a new diet, everybody joins it. How to choose a healthy loss diet that will get rid of the fat and keep it off is your main goal. Avoid diets that offer unrealistic weight loss, and quick fat loss diets rarely work. They are great for a short-term fix if you need to lose a small amount of weight, but a healthy fat diet is a long-term plan. Permanent weight loss takes time and effort. There are no quick fixes with a healthy fat loss diet. For the best healthy weight loss diet, find a plan that also includes an exercise program, regardless of what people may think exercise is essential to weight loss. It is best to have a structured plan, so you know exactly what your goals are. You will also feel good when you reach one of those goals in your healthy fat loss diet. A change of lifestyle, a good diet and exercise will achieve great results. You just need to be organized. Many people claim they do not have time to exercise, but everyone can fit some sort of exercise into their fat loss diet. Even a minimal amount of exercise will help you achieve results. You will need to do both aerobic and resistant exercise, as they both play a large part in a healthy loss diet. Exercise can not only help you lose weight, but it also is great at fighting disease and increases your overall fitness. Starving yourself and eating less will not help your healthy loss diet. You need to begin a healthy diet. You will need to aim to eat 5 or 6 food portions a day, and these will need to be healthy, balanced food. These food portions would normally be breakfast, morning snack, lunch, afternoon snack, supper, and evening snack. All of these meals need to be the right size and made up of fruit and vegetables. This will help towards your healthy fat loss diet, as well drinking plenty of water. Water is excellent as part of a healthy fat loss diet. It not only keeps your body cleansed, but it speeds up metabolism. Increased metabolism helps burn fat, which is exactly what you want to achieve. There are 3 very simple factors which can help you to lose weight. They are sunlight, fresh air, and sleep. All of these are a huge factor in keeping healthy and feeling better. Alongside a healthy fat loss diet and exercise, you will put yourself on the path to living longer. Once you make the commitment to begin your healthy fat loss diet, then you will begin to enjoy seeing the results. To learn about the best 5 diet plan, visit the link below this video.